Hello everybody, my name is Avery Harris. Welcome to my channel. If you are trying to find new ways to make money online, this would be the best channel to do that at. Right now, I am on Podbean.com. This is a website where you do your own podcasting. And right now, I want to show how you can make money by doing your own podcasting. The first way would be to do advertising, in which case you could select a list of advertisers and then advertise their product throughout your podcast. And another way would be to start a crowd fundraiser. Now, I've already signed into my account, which is Avery Harris A. If you want to learn how to sign up for your own Podbean account, just check out my other video. I'll leave a link in the description below. I also want to say that I still have a free account, but as you will find out later, we will have to change that in order to make full use of all ways to make money up here. Let's go ahead and go to advertising right now. Over to the left, it says Podbean Ads Marketplace. Connect with your sponsors for your podcast. Great advertising opportunities from top brands. Decide your ad rates and accept as you like, and build long-term relationships with the right advertisers. And on the right, you have dynamic ad insertion. Fully monetize your podcast by inserting dynamic ads in your episodes. One click to insert new ads on all selected episodes. You bring the ads and decide where to insert them. Smart GEO ads enable you to multiply your income by targeting multiple geographies. So let's go ahead and start on the left with Podbean Ads Marketplace. Now it says set up your podcast for advertising in 3 simple steps. Submit your feed URL, claim your ownership, and then do basic information. So I want to go ahead and put in my podcast feed URL. Right now I want to do that by going back on that tab. I want to go back onto the first tab and clicking on my name, will give me my podcast URL. I'll go ahead and copy that and then go back. There are no advertising opportunities that match your podcast at this time. We will notify you as soon as there are opportunities for you. That might be because I don't have any episodes right now. That also might be because this is a free account and they might not let me do anything until I start doing a paid account. But since we can't do anything on ad opportunities right now, let's go ahead to dynamic ad insertion. And go ahead with ad time slots. Upgrade to the unlimited plan to activate dynamic ad insertion. So let's go ahead to upgrade. And as we can see, we have 3 different ways we can upgrade to a paid service, but at the very least, we have to have unlimited before we can do the ad insertion. Let's check out the first one anyway, which is advanced. Complete cost-effective solution for podcast starters, $3 a month. It also includes 100 megabytes of storage, 100 gigabytes of bandwidth a month, customizable themes, basic podcast stats. Now, unlimited, which is the most popular, podcasting without limits, $9 per month. Everything in advanced plus unlimited storage and bandwidth. Pro themes, 100% customizable. Advanced podcast stats, map your own domain, and sell premium content. Then you have business, which is great for business podcasters, radio networks, and organizations at $99 a month. Everything included in advanced and unlimited plus includes 3 admins, multiple channels, premium bandwidth, priority customer support, no Podbean branding, and private podcast. Now, I don't want to sign up for any of these right now, so I will have to show this off on another date. Let's go ahead and go back and let's go ahead and start a crowdfunding campaign. We'll go to the Patreon tab and it says manage crowdfunding. Crowdfunding campaigns created or supported by you will be shown here. Let's go ahead and add new. Set up a crowdfunding page. 4, submit your podcast feed URL. Let's go ahead and do that. It says submit fail for Podbean free account. You must verify your account first. The verification steps will appear in your admin 15 days after the account creation. So I won't even be able to do that because I just opened this account. But for the sake of finishing this, I will put in a different URL. So right now I'm going to go to my YouTube page and put in my URL from my YouTube page. Okay, so it says set up your crowdfunding in 3 simple steps. And first it starts with your story, then goals, and then rewards. A call to action for people to support your podcast. This shows below your logo and on your campaign page and is the default text for social media shares. Podcasters with videos have a much higher success rate. Share what you will be creating with your patron support. Your story. Talk about what you do and how you will be using your patron support to keep creating great content. So as you see, I can fill all this out, and I'll fill this out in. Okay, goals. Goals are milestones that help you reach what you do with the funding. These help show your progress and motivate your potential patrons. Set attainable goals to show your progress toward different milestones. For example, you may want to start with $300 to $500 for the first goal, and then have another goal of $1,000. Examples can be as simple as raising ongoing production costs, hosting fees, or upgrading equipment, adding new content, doing a special feature, or anything you'd like. And of course, on the left it has your monthly pledge to achieve this goal, your goal title, and provide details about your goal. I'm gonna go ahead and go to save continue. And last we have rewards. Preset levels of contribution for your patrons along with corresponding rewards they will receive. Offer several small level rewards. The best practice is to start with a $1 level. Pledges from $1 to $5 are the most popular. You can be as creative as you wish with your rewards, from thanking patrons, mentioning them on your show, or social media gifts and fun opportunities. Let's check out some. Let's go ahead and review an example. Let's go ahead and check out an example of their rewards they have. Okay, so $1 to $5. You give a shout out on your show or the site. You can give a thank you email, access to patrons only comments, postcard, digital postcard note each month, early access to new episodes, $5 to $10, monthly handwritten note or special show postcard, small show products like a sticker, poster, t-shirt, or a book, name listed on show patrons list, or a shout out on the show. Okay, let's go to 10 to 30. Patron can read a short message on the show or call as a special guest. Special show products or access to exclusive events. Free 30-minute consulting session with the host. All right, so $30 to $75. Appear as a guest on the show. Choose a guest for the show and attend the recording. A personal thank you video from the host. 60-second sponsorship of your product or service read by the host. A one hour video conference with the host. Okay, I think all those are pretty good reward examples. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead with those two. So go ahead and launch. Verify ownership of your podcast on Podbean for great benefits like audience engagement, podcast patron program, and advertising opportunities. All right. All the way at the bottom it says follow the instruction below to verify ownership. Put in this word in the description of your latest episode, then click the verify button. And of course you have the verify link over there on the right. I won't be clicking verify because I don't want to put up this campaign. But of course, once you finish yours and you're ready to put yours up, that's what you would do. this isn't the only place that you can create a crowdfunding campaign. There's of course Patreon and Kickstarter. If you haven't seen my Patreon video, go ahead and check that out. I'll leave that in the description. Also, I may make a updated video on when I verify my account on my email, and also go ahead and start up an unlimited account instead of staying on this free account. So be on the lookout for that. Make sure you like, subscribe, share with a friend, and check out some older videos that shows different ways you can make money online. Thanks for watching.